The blinking white light on your Verizon Fios TV1 box is actually a communication system telling you exactly what your device is doing during its startup process. When you see this white light blinking, your Fios TV1 box is going through its boot up sequence. This is completely normal and indicates the system is working properly. The boot process involves 4 distinct stages, each serving a critical function in getting your TV service ready. Stage 1 is system initialization, where hardware components power up and perform basic checks. This typically takes 30 seconds or less. Stage 2 involves network authentication, where your box establishes a secure connection with Verizon's network infrastructure. This process usually completes within 90 seconds. During Stage 3, software loading occurs. Your box downloads any necessary updates, patches, or channel guide information. This can take up to 3 minutes. Finally, Stage 4 performs hardware diagnostics, running comprehensive checks on all internal components to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Understanding the normal timing is crucial for identifying when something might be wrong with your system. A normal boot sequence should complete within 5 to 10 minutes. This is the healthy range where your Fios box is functioning properly. However, if the white light continues blinking for 15 minutes or longer, this indicates a potential problem that needs attention. Different blinking patterns can provide additional diagnostic information about what your box is experiencing. Steady, rhythmic blinking indicates a normal boot process. The light should pulse at regular intervals as your box progresses through each stage. Rapid blinking, where the light flashes much faster than normal, often indicates a hardware malfunction or internal component failure. Extended blinking beyond 15 minutes typically points to network connectivity problems, where your box cannot establish a proper connection with Verizon's servers. Recent firmware updates have enhanced these diagnostic capabilities, providing more specific information about system states and making it easier to identify exactly what stage your box is in during the boot process. When your Fios TV1 box shows a blinking white light, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Step 1. Be patient. Wait 10 to 15 minutes to allow the box to complete its normal boot process. Most issues resolve automatically during this time. Step 2. If the blinking continues, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure. Also verify the box has adequate ventilation with at least 6 inches of clearance on all sides. Step 3. Perform a soft reset by unplugging the power cord for 30 seconds, then reconnecting it. This clears temporary system issues. Step 4. Carefully inspect the coaxial cable for any visible damage, kinks, or loose connections. A damaged cable is a common cause of boot issues. Step 5. For persistent issues, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds while the white light is blinking. This restores the box to default settings. Step 6. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's time for professional help. Schedule a technician visit or consider replacing the box, especially if it's over 3 years old. According to Verizon's technical support data, 68% of white light issues resolve within 10 minutes without any intervention, while 22% require basic troubleshooting steps like those we've covered.